AI is not replacing developers. That narrative didn't originate inside engineering teams. It emerged from organizations reacting to rapid change without fully understanding what AI actually does. Executives saw impressive demos. Developers experimented with new tools. Expectations escalated. When reality didn't match the hype, blame followed. If you work in technology, this narrative affects your team, your architecture decisions, and your long-term strategy. Today, we're going to separate signal from noise. In this video, we'll break down why the AI replaces developers narrative appeared, what AI actually does inside real software organizations, why blaming teams misses the root cause, how AI exposes structural gaps in leadership and engineering processes, what successful organizations do differently, and why experienced developers become more valuable, not less, in AI-enabled environments. Part 1. Why the AI replaces developers narrative appeared in the first place. The idea that AI replaces developers didn't originate from engineers. It came from outside the development process, from strategic layers reacting to rapid technological change. When decision makers see AI generate code, summarize documents, or produce working demos, it appears transformative. The leap from AI assists to AI replaces can happen quickly when context is missing. This is not malice, it's misinterpretation. AI demonstrations show isolated capability. They rarely show unclear requirements, integration constraints, security implications, compliance reviews, or long-term maintenance costs. AI doesn't remove complexity, it accelerates exposure to it. When expectations rise without structural preparation, unclear ownership, vague goals, undefined metrics, disappointment follows. The issue is rarely developer resistance. It is organizational over-acceleration without alignment. AI amplifies whatever system it enters. If processes lack clarity or accountability, those gaps surface immediately. Part 2. What AI actually does inside real software organizations. AI is an accelerator. It speeds up what already exists, good or bad. In structured environments, AI improves productivity, reduces friction, and assists with exploration. In disorganized environments, it exposes confusion faster than ever before. AI has no judgment. It reflects structure. If requirements are vague, AI produces vague output. If architecture is brittle, integrations fail. If decision-making is unclear, AI generates more options without direction. AI forces clarity, or reveals its absence. Developers still define architecture. They validate correctness. They ensure security and compliance. AI can assist generation, but responsibility does not disappear. Organizations expecting AI to replace developers are often hoping it will replace disciplined decision-making. That expectation is misplaced. Part 3. Why blaming developers is the wrong reaction to AI struggles. When AI initiatives stall, teams often absorb the frustration. That reaction misses the root cause. Developers operate within constraints: scope, timelines, staffing, governance decisions, and shifting priorities. AI does not eliminate those constraints, it intensifies them. Blame creates defensiveness. Defensiveness reduces experimentation. Reduced experimentation slows learning. Fear restricts progress more than technical limits ever will. Organizations that succeed with AI treat developers as collaborators in experimentation, not as obstacles to automation. Leadership alignment and engineering culture must evolve together. One without the other produces friction. AI doesn't fail because teams resist it. It struggles when expectations, ownership, and incentives are misaligned. Part 4. How AI exposes gaps in leadership and engineering processes. AI acts as a diagnostic tool for organizations. It exposes weak prioritization, unclear ownership, inconsistent code quality standards, and missing feedback loops. When success criteria are undefined, AI projects drift. When engineering discipline is inconsistent, AI output magnifies defects. When governance is unclear, risk accumulates quickly. AI compresses feedback cycles. Traditional inefficiencies could hide behind long development timelines. AI shortens iteration loops. Problems surface sooner. Speed reveals structure. Organizations uncomfortable with that visibility sometimes suppress adoption instead of improving systems. That reaction delays growth. AI doesn't create structural weakness, it reveals it. Part 5. What successful AI-enabled organizations do differently? Successful AI adoption begins with discipline, not excitement. Clear objectives, defined ownership, incremental rollouts, measurable outcomes, strong engineering standards. These are organizational practices. In healthy environments, developers are encouraged to experiment within guardrails. Leadership focuses on outcomes, not optics. AI becomes leverage, not disruption. Training is prioritized. Code review standards remain strong. Observability and monitoring mature alongside AI integration. The result is not workforce reduction, it is capability expansion. Part 6. Why AI increases the need for experienced developers. Paradoxically, AI increases the value of experienced developers. As generation accelerates, the cost of error multiplies. Architectural flaws scale faster. Security gaps propagate more quickly. Experience becomes critical. Senior developers recognize plausible but incorrect output. They understand system boundaries, performance implications, data sensitivity, and long-term maintenance costs. AI requires supervision. Expertise provides it. Organizations that reduce engineering depth in response to AI often experience instability instead of savings. Complexity does not disappear, it becomes unmanaged. AI does not eliminate craftsmanship. It demands stronger engineering discipline. Part 7. The real takeaway leaders and teams must understand about AI. AI does not replace developers. It replaces ambiguity. It removes the ability to hide behind slow processes, unclear ownership, or deferred decisions. That exposure can feel uncomfortable. Organizations willing to address structural gaps become stronger. Those that resist the signal stagnate. AI reveals organizational maturity. Understanding this distinction protects teams and improves long-term outcomes. AI is not the threat. Misalignment is. AI does not replace developers. It exposes organizational gaps in leadership and engineering discipline. As AI becomes embedded in enterprise systems, especially within established platforms like .NET, structure and accountability matter more than ever. Organizations that align leadership clarity with engineering rigor will thrive. Those that rely on hype will struggle. If this perspective resonates, explore more of my work on practical enterprise AI and development. Thanks for watching.